Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Teju's Healthy Eats. Today I'm sharing two of my absolute favorite chia puddings that are packed with protein, super satisfying and perfect for hot days when you want something chilled and comforting without any guilt. These are cookie dough and mocha inspired and I can't wait for you to try them. What I love about chia puddings is they're so easy to meal prep. You literally have to make them the night before and by morning you have got a delicious nourishing meal in a jar that's ready to go. Whether it's breakfast, a snack or dessert, these are balanced, full of fiber, protein, healthy fats, and they really hit the spot when you're craving something sweet but want to stay on track. Now for the cookie dough jar, this one totally helps with those ice cream cravings. I start by mixing up chia seeds with coconut milk, a splash of vanilla, and a little maple syrup, and that's it for the base. I pop it into the fridge overnight and let that chia seed soak up all that coconutty goodness. The next morning, I stir in my protein powder and greens powder. If you are enjoying this recipe, tap like and subscribe. Then it's all about the toppings. I add a layer of Greek yogurt, drizzle on some peanut butter, sprinkle over dark chocolate chips, add slices of banana, a few blueberries and raspberries, and a little sprinkle of sunflower seeds for that extra crunch. This jar is so satisfying. It's sweet, nutty, and just the best thing when you want a treat that's actually good for you. Let's start with the mocha jar, which is honestly my favorite. On those days when it's super hot, I've been out for a long walk or a workout, this is my go-to. It's like my morning coffee and breakfast all in one jar. So, the night before, I stir in some instant coffee in warm water. And add some almond milk and stir it again. It makes the most amazing coffee almond milk. Then I add my chia seeds, vanilla, and just a touch of maple syrup for sweetness. I mixed it all up really well and let it sit in the fridge overnight so the chia seeds have time to soak up the liquid and get nice and thick. The next morning when it's beautifully set, I stir in a scoop of plant-based protein powder, some cacao powder for that deep chocolate flavor, and a little greens powder for extra goodness. If it's too thick, just add a splash of almond milk and mix it up. Then I top it with creamy Greek yogurt, dark chocolate chips, a few cacao nibs for that crunch, and some dry roasted almonds. I even dust a little extra cacao powder on top. It's so rich and chocolatey, but also light and refreshing, and packed with over 30 grams of protein. Perfect for when you want something cool, comforting, and filling. What's amazing about these puddings is that they are a full meal in a jar. You can meal prep them, grab them on the go, pack them in a lunchbox or backpack, and they're ready whenever you are. So go ahead and give these a try and tell me in the comments, are you team cookie dough or team mocha? I would love to hear what you think. And if you are loving these chia pudding ideas, make sure to check out my other video where I share two more delicious flavors, tropical mango and strawberry peanut butter. I'll leave the link for you. Don't miss it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed this recipe and want more easy, healthy ideas. Thank you. Bye-bye.